I have a new Fashom box. It is brand new. They just rolled it out where you get 5 items for $95, no shipping to you, and whatever you get, you keep. And if you need to exchange anything, they will do an exchange, but you can't return anything. Nothing's returnable. So what you get is what you get. So you're spending $95, free shipping to you. And let's see what they sent me. They sent this box to me at no cost to me for review that I can share with you guys. So let's see what they sent me. $95. Oh, and also they're having a giveaway, and do a hashtag Barbara Fashom. You have an opportunity to win a free box. I mean, who doesn't want a free box? So let's see what they sent me. Also, if you can also use my referral code and you get $10 off your box. Now I will have to, oh, this is pretty. Hey, good way to start out. Pretty blue. Let's see, but if there's anything you need to exchange because of size, they will do an exchange for size, but you do pay a shipping fee. But, you know, what do you expect for $95? So let's see, is that everything I told you? Yeah, I think that's it. It's simple. It's, okay, let's get started. All right, first item, and I'll do a try on. This is a really pretty blue. It's a sweater. Pretty, pretty. Does it have no pockets? That's pretty, actually. Okay, I like, oh, got a pair of earrings. So this would count as one of my items. These are so pretty. Let's see what they look like up close. All their little hearts. I love hearts with the little bling in them. Okay, I couldn't figure out how to open them. Look how pretty those are. They sparkle. They open in the back here. Or I guess you could wear them the solid side also. Very pretty. Those are cute. They're a little smaller than what I normally wear, but if I decide that they're not for me, I'll just use them as a gift. I'll gift them out. Okay, just like anything in the box. But for $95, well, let's see what else is in here first. Oh, pair of pants. This is always scary, but oh, these are nice. These are really nice. They feel, I'm thinking that's a straight leg. It's a navy. Pockets, and the material feels really nice. Look at the front. It's a zipper and a snap. Pockets. Is it a snap? Oh, it's a hook. They hook. That could be a good look. Oh, what's this? A jacket? Really? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Size medium. You do fill out a style profile and you let them know. They've got a lot of questions, just like, you know, favorite colors and size and things like that. This is not, oh, this is cute. Let's try this on right now. Oh, look at that. Gold zipper on the side. Not that I'd probably put anything in there, but you never know. The arms feel a little short. This is a size medium. That's what I put in my profile. How cute is this? Gold zipper. It's a bomber jacket. How cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. Okay. It's thick. It's not thick, but look, it's quilted. The arms are a little snug up the top. And I have a short sleeve shirt on, so I don't know if I could wear this with a long sleeve shirt. But this is really cute. I'll get a lot of wear out of that. Okay, and then what's this? No way this is by CeCe. They're sending me a top, a sweater by CeCe. My total box, $95. Free shipping. Okay. Oh, it's got this sleeves, see-through sleeves, silky. knit wrist with ties. This is probably a little fancier than I would wear, but how cute is that with the tie? Huh, I don't know. I have to admit, I was kind of hesitant, but for $95, and they sent the box to me for review for free. So let's be honest, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'll tell you what, first impression, I'm pretty impressed for $95. So let me go try on. Let's see how the clothes fit. Okay, this is a really nice sweater. It really is. It's not real thick and it's not real thin. It's a really nice transition piece. I love the buttons on it. They are working buttons here. I like the difference in the texture. So you have one texture here and then more of a solid texture on the bottom, on the sleeves, and then the solid is in the back. I'm sure, yes, in the back. It really feels nice. It's soft. It's not scratchy. Let's see, it's size medium. It's a little big on me, but a small would be too small. So this is actually perfect. The sleeves are a really nice length. They also have the different texture on the sleeve, on the wrist and the sleeve. This is really cute. And it's at the bottom also, same as what's on the sleeve. So this is really cute. It's comfortable. I will definitely get a lot of wear out of this. So I like this, and it's long. So if I'm wearing leggings, which I don't go out in public in leggings, that's just my thing. But just to be around the house, or if I'm watching the grandkids or something, this will be perfect. I would be comfortable in this. So this is a win. All right, let's talk about these pants. I am wearing a size 10 short, and I'm 5'3½". So that was probably a good call because I have some booties on. They are a heel. So let me back up and show you the pants. Okay, the pants are actually a little bit big on me. I've got a lot of room in them. So they must run a little bit big. Let's see, what else can I tell you? I mean, they're just so cute. I like the fabric of them. I like the little gold details on them. It is a zipper, and it does have the not a snap, but hooks, pockets up here, which I like because then if they're slanted, you don't have them sticking out. I would call this a straight leg. And like I said, these are a short and they're a very loose fit. There are pockets in the back. There's some stretch in these. I mean, I need to size down. I actually need to go down a size. So let's try on the CeCe top. Okay, I like this top a lot. I love the way that it fits. I like that it doesn't hug me too tight. I am wearing a size medium. I like that it's long, although it might be too long to do a front tuck, or actually, well, I've got lots of room in these pants. So let's see what it looks like tucked in. Let's see, it's long. Oh yeah, you could tuck this in. Yeah, I think so. I would probably wear a pair of pull-on pants with this and just leave it out. And it gives you kind of that, you know, I do have a little bit of a waist, so it gives you that hourglass look. It's not tight where it's going to hug the places you don't want it to hug. I do like the tie, and the fabric is so nice. It is really soft. It's more on the lighter side than the heavier side. I love the sleeves. They're kind of flirty. You can see through them. I love the cuff, that it's a knit material. It's just a really nice top. I like it a lot. What do you guys think? Okay, so let's try the jacket on with something with sleeves. I know these are really thin, but they are, you know, they are sleeves, long sleeves. So let's see if I can get this on. Oh yeah, I just couldn't wear it with a thick sweater. I think it feels tighter up here because it's, what do you call it? Oh, I can't think of the word. If I can think of the word, I'll stick it up there. But I think you guys know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, that fits fine. This is nice. This is really nice. It's quilted. It's quilted. So it feels like it's, like if you get cold, it's gonna expand just a little bit to kind of keep you warm and sucked in, which I like that. I will get a lot of use out of this. I like this a lot. And I love the gold zippers on it. Oh, there are pockets. Oh, there's pockets. Nice. Really nice. Let's see if there's pockets inside. That'll be a bonus. Are there pockets inside? No, but it's quilted. And it's got some stretch here on the bottom. Give you a little extra room in your hips. You have some hips like me. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, the earrings are just too small for me. They are going to be given to someone else as a gift. They're just too small. I don't know. Yeah, they would hug my ear too close, and I don't typically wear earrings that small other than, you know, a pair of studs. So that's it. What do you guys think? Give it a try. $10 off your first box. So instead of $95, it'll be $85 for 5 items. You can do an exchange, which I'm going to see if they have the pants in a size 8 and see if those fit any better. Let's see, what else? Don't forget to enter to win a free box with hashtag Barbara Fashom. And let's see, what else? Make sure you go to Fashom's Instagram page. And let's see, what else? I think that's it. Let me know your feedback. I think it's a very nice box for $95 for their first time out with me. I'll give them some feedback and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.